how to make changes in your Rushing Auditor version 2.0 entries. Alright, in a previous tutorial you learned how to make entries, and now we're going to show you how easy it is to make changes. Let's take this simple example. We have here a debit to cash and a credit to sales. Now let's say we'd like to insert a line in between these two, and let's say it's accounts receivable. So let's click on the radio button here for debit and select the appropriate account title, and then place a posting reference of, let's say, AR-44444, and the amount is 3,000. Now watch carefully. We will click a line here in the yellow box like so, and this data on top here will appear on top of this line which you have selected. So let's do that now. Let's click on Insert Line, and there you go. However, you will note that because of the insertion, your entry is now out of balance. So how do you remedy that? All you have to do is click on this line in order to make a change, and then click on a magic button over here. This whole area is our magic button. It's invisible, and when you click it, the data will be moved over or copied over here on top. You can then make the appropriate changes. So in this case it's 10,000. So by the way, you can change the posting reference or the title if you wish, but for now we'll just change the amount. So when you're ready, you click on this line again and click Overwrite Line, and then your entry is balanced. You're then ready to save your entry, so you click on Save Entry to make the changes permanent. And now let's continue the lesson. Let's say you want to change the order of the lines inside your entry. Let's start with cash on hand. Let's move it down. Okay, we've selected it already, so we can click Line Down, and you'll see that it jumps down to the line below. Click it again and click on Line Down, and there you see that it's at the bottom. Next, let's move sales up by one line. Let's click on Line Up, and it jumps up. Now let's restore the entry to what it was in the beginning. Let's click on cash in hand, line up, click on cash in hand, line up, then click on sales, line down, and there you go. Easy, isn't it? And that concludes our tutorial on how to make changes in your Rushing Auditor entries. Thank you for watching.